while we were on break, we got a very interesting message from apparently a fan of ours who enjoys our work. So I wanted to read this to you. I think it's pretty cool. Hopefully you'll enjoy this. Dear band, the Top Gun tribute was fantastic. What a phenomenal performance. Thank you so much. I'd love for you all to be my guests for a special screening of Top Gun Maverick in Columbus this spring. And best of luck to the Ohio State University and the Rose Bowl. Sincerely, Tom Cruise. Tom has sent us all, in addition to that, Tom has sent us all t-shirts.
Thank you, Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise. Woo. Oh, this is cool. I'm really excited. Thank you, Tom Cruise.